Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the map light on your 2012 Camry. You can see here we've just got regular incandescent bulbs in there. They run a 194 clear bulb, but we're actually going to be upgrading them to Exito's super bright white LED bulbs. Check link in the description if you want to upgrade yours for more lighting inside the car. So pretty simple to do. You're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver or equivalent, maybe a butter knife, something like that. Just go ahead and pry that down a little bit and try to get this other side to go without breaking it. There's little fingers you can see here on the side. Okay, so that's where you're going to pry, here and here. Once you get that piece off, then you just simply go ahead and grab the bulb. Now, if your bulb has been on for a while, it's probably going to be hot, so be careful you don't burn yourself. And we just simply pull straight outwards. I'm going to go grab some pliers. All right, simply grab pull it out. There's the bulb in question. Then we're just going to simply swap out, grab one of these sick LEDs. These things are so nice. And then all we got to do is just stick it back in the hole. I can't see. All right, and then just simply do a quick check. If you're using LEDs, make sure that you just click that button on the outside to ensure that it is in the right position, because you can have it in there backwards and it won't turn on. If you're using regular incandescent bulbs, doesn't matter. You can just stick it in there. 194 clear, that's the bulb part number. And then it's just as simple as lining this up and popping it back into place. Quite a difference. You're going to get a much brighter light. It's going to give you a lot more visibility in the car. If you want some, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Got any questions, throw them in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.